So the question for today is, do keyboard shortcuts really save you that much time? What I want to do is I want to send an email and I would like to link this web page by creating a hyperlink within this text. So let's see how that works if I don't use keyboard shortcuts at all. Great. Now, let's see if I can save myself any time by using keyboard shortcuts. Done. All those little moments add up over time, and you can be a lot more efficient if your hands never have to leave the